In today's video, I'll show you 5 Instacart settings to check before placing your order to make sure everything goes smoothly. 1. Replacement preferences. Set your replacement preferences for each item in your cart. Choose between specific item, best match, or refund if an item is out of stock. This helps prevent unwanted replacements and reduces last-minute communication with your shopper. 2. Delivery method. For a contactless experience, make sure your delivery method is set to leave at my door. If you prefer handoff, select meet at the door instead. 3. Additional instructions. In the same settings, use the text box to add any additional instructions. This ensures your order is delivered exactly how you like it. 4. Delivery timing. Check available delivery windows before placing your order. If you need items urgently, choose priority delivery for a faster turnaround. If time isn't critical, selecting a later window can give you more flexibility and sometimes lower fees. 5. Correct address and location services. Double-check that your delivery address is accurate, especially if you've recently moved or are ordering to a new location. Enabling geolocation helps your shopper navigate efficiently and ensures a smooth delivery. And that's it. Those are the 5 key Instacart settings to check before placing your order.